Okay, Zong, so what we've done is trim the props. Now we've done them the BMSWEB way, not the kebab way. But anyway, we've actually trimmed them properly, so they should be all right. The balance should be good. And we're going to try them out and see exactly how they go. You've already done a flight with them already, haven't you?
Yeah, they felt so nice.
So this is another flight with them, just so you know what they're like, and we'll see how we go with the feedback. But look, so far so good, and we're going to show you the flight too now. Enjoy.
Let's do it.
Okay, talk about your thoughts on them. How do they compare to the props you've been trying out, the feel and everything?
Okay, so compared to the V3 prop, it's the low end that's really feeling really good on these. Like the first 60% of the throttle, it's a lot more responsive than the 50-45. Top end, I'm not sure. I think the 50-45 handles a little bit better. I guess, yeah, we're going to check lap times now and see how this is going.
So far it's looking pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, also the amp draw seems higher on these, but it could be because it's going faster.
Okay, alright then. There you go, hope that helps.